No person was ever honored for what he received. He was honored for what he gave. And it was Calvin Coolidge, which I love the history stuff of the president stuff. And I just, when she said it, it's true. Like I don't do this for the recognition. I just do it.
I nominated Cindy because she, after reading about the Spirit Award, she was definitely the first person that came to mind. She meets all the qualifications for the award. I also think it's amazing just to be recognized. So even if she doesn't get first place, just for her to be recognized would be amazing.
My name is Cynthia LaRosa, but I go by Cindy because my nephews can't spell Cynthia, so I go by Cindy. I've been with Pella for 5 years and been in Ocala for 24 years, but originally from New York. I have to always say that.
She is a very thoughtful person. She has a beautiful soul. She is constantly thinking about what can she do to help the next person.
When I moved down to Florida, I wanted to be involved in an organization that helped the community. I wanted to meet people, have some friends. And I figured this club sounded cool, that it does stuff for the community. We would clean the streets. We used to do reading pals, reading stories to kids, mentoring high school kids.
That's how I see her as a servant leader. I mean, just her awareness and her motivation to help others become good citizens.
I'm always filling up my card to donate it to different organizations. Like I'll know if somebody has throw pillows, we use the throw pillows to make bears for Camp Bogey Creek. Like we've made over 600 bears. And I have actually 50 in my house that we have to decorate. Then for clothing, I go for Dress for Success. For books, we have a free library. We built a little free library that's in front of a school that we put children's books and adult books that people could just borrow and take. And then food-wise, that we go to different organizations who need food. They tell us, diapers or anything. So like anybody who's getting rid of anything in the house, I always say, let me have it. I know places that I can give it to.
Her motivation, her fuel, it's happiness of others. So thoughtful would be the best way that I would describe her.
It's just, I just have fun doing it.
The gift that Pella's willing to contribute, I think is just amazing. I mean, that is just a substantial amount of money that could do the community really, really good. So between her being recognized for the good that she does and for it to be put back into the community, that's why I nominated her.
So I still can say I'm still stunned over this. I'm just still like, I don't know, this is what I do every day. I don't even know, I'm just surprised that